I found one of the best ways to learn something new is to get your hands in there right away. So I'm going to give you a couple of options, or at least make you aware of a couple of options if you don't currently have a SharePoint site available that you can practice within. Open in front of you, I did a quick little internet search. I opened up bing.com, I typed in SharePoint Online. You can go to Google or wherever, type in SharePoint Online. It's probably going to be the first one that shows up for you. Microsoft offers a SharePoint 2013 online version of the environment. And that's actually what I'm going to be using here to demonstrate all of these features throughout this course. If you're using the SharePoint Foundations server version of 2013, you're going to see a very similar environment, almost exact, with very small minor differences. You're going to be able to go through this course, no problem. So if you've got a site there, great. If not, and you want to be able to practice these concepts that I'm going to walk you through, two choices. You can go to SharePoint Online, the collaboration software, and give that a click. And for a minimal fee, monthly fee, you can get a SharePoint site. So what I would recommend is you can come out here, sign up for a month, and poke around within a site. Just get comfortable within it. $5, that's it. Or if you're in the office and you've already got a SharePoint environment set up, ask somebody, track down that SharePoint administrator or the IT team, and ask them to build you a SharePoint sandbox. Just something that you can practice these concepts within. You don't want to get out to your regular old team site and willy-nilly poking around in there and changing stuff that people are working on. So you want some type of sandbox that you can play in. So either hop out to SharePoint Online for the minimal fee. You can sign up for a month and then cancel it when you're done. Or if you've already got an environment, ask the person responsible for your SharePoint site to build you a sub-site that can act as a sandbox for you to play within. So a couple choices there, but even if you don't have a SharePoint site, sit down, relax, absorb the material. By the time your SharePoint site rolls around, you're going to hit the ground running with all of these topics and concepts that you're going to master as we go through this course. So hang on, let's jump into SharePoint and let's take a look at it.